for you getting the opportunity to go on a TV show, represent bonds like we do. We're so proud of you.
I got the opportunity from another female welding influencer to go out to Tulsa Welding School and competing in a competition against 3 other female welding influencers, and I got second place and won a half tuition scholarship to go to Tulsa. Of course, I wanted to give it to somebody at Bonds because this place has started everything for me. I'm super excited to be able to give her the half tuition scholarship to go to Tulsa, and I think it's a big opportunity for you. So I really hope you enjoy it. So
I appreciate that so much. Girls can't do this, girls can't do that, but yes, we can. If you motivate yourself enough, we can do it, and that's all that matters. And I feel like Bailee being able to give this scholarship to me and lift me up and push me forward is something great for her as well.
I won the state championship, the gold medal for Skills USA. I didn't know I was gonna win or not, and so today I found that out.
So we also award scholarships for Skills USA competition, and by this young man coming in first place, we're going to award him a full tuition scholarship.
I used to not have a passion for anything. Then I came into this place and started to really like it. My passion is that I feel accomplished to do everything I do. Like whenever I pass a certification, that's an accomplishment to myself.
I'm so thankful for the opportunity to be able to come to the Career Center and give the scholarship to Ashley and get to see the excitement on Jesus' face and get to see my old teachers and the old program that I've always known. I wouldn't be the welder or the person I am today without this Career Center.